Put your seatbelt on or we're not going anywhere. Seatbelt.
It's my concert. My school concert. Mom.
Seatbelt.
Why? Why do I have my seatbelt?
Because it's the law.
I never see it. I'm straight out of Compton.
What?
I'm straight out of Compton. Sleeping down the street. They don't use seatbelts in their sis boys. I'm sleeping down the street in my sis belt. And I'm jogging them girls. And I'm slapping them girls. There ain't no girl around me.
Okay, I have to drive now. Say bye.
I don't want to. Told me to say bye.
Because I can't drive and do this at the same time.
Oh,
Okay.
Just hey. Oh, how you say? Hey, don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone.
That's my phone.
No more. It is on my telephone. Cell phone. Hello.
Alright, give me the phone.
No, Mom.
Give me the phone.
No, Mom.
You don't even know if you're filming yourself. Give me the phone.
You're filming me and I'm filming me. What's up? Let me tell you how it is, okay? My name is Slim Soul. Some call me a little evil. I'm so popular. Everybody wants me. Because I'm a nice person. I'm a nice person.
Have you met yourself?
No, but if I did, that'd be cool. I'll be honest, my mother was Sunday. Sunday.
You want a sundae or a milkshake?
Mom.